MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Ross, thanks for taking a couple of minutes to talk to us about this Chiron machine. Let's start with that, the Mill 2000. What's different about it?
This is our high dynamics version of a machine. What we're showing here today is an automotive structural component, which more and more these days the cars are lightweighting their cars continuously for 20 years already. Recently they're going to structural components in aluminum. Consequently, Chiron has developed machines for a long time in a long bed series. What's unique about this one now is the high dynamics package that's on this machine.
And by looking at the machine, I see what you mean when you say high dynamics. If the component is a large component, you might need to get from one end to the other very quickly. So acceleration is important. What is the acceleration of this machine?
This machine has accelerations in all axes over 1G.
For a travelling column machine, that's fast. I mean, is it a linear motor machine?
This can be linear motor machine in X and Y axes if we choose to have it that way. There's a cost per performance ratio for having that in ball screw or linear motors. We can do it either way.
And we've got one part on this machine here, one casting. Would it be fair to say that you could maybe double up, or you can change the fixture to have 2, 3, 4 parts, multiple work holding?
This is one of Chiron's specialties. We are really turnkey specialists. So not just building a machine for high production, but developing production-focused solutions that involve those elements that you just described. Fast changeover, multiple parts at one time, all designed to get the spindle in the cut the maximum amount of time, no matter what parts you're making or family of parts you're making.
Because this particular part here, are you doing this in one hit then? I mean, it's quite a complex casting with lots of different holes, bores, etc.
This is a processing challenge, but again, that's one of our expertises, is working out a process. With this particular swiveling head design machine, the way the swivel head is designed, we're able to do this very complex part in one work holding, complete.
And is one of these axes driven? Is it one end and one is a support? Is that how it works?
On the very shortest trunnion assemblies, that can be done that way. But typically we put drivers on both ends, especially when the work bed gets longer, because this is actually a 2-meter machine. We go all the way up to 6-meter machines.
That was going to be my next question, actually. So this is a 2-meter. Does it rotate through 360 degrees then on that axis?
Yes, it does. Full 360 degrees on the rotating A axis. And then on the B axis, we actually rotate plus or minus 110 degrees.
Okay, speed, we've spoken about the acceleration. What about the spindle and the tool changer?
The tool changer on this machine is like 2.4 seconds chip to chip, and the spindle is 20,000 RPM.
So all of those factors together make this an extremely productive offering from Chiron.
That's correct. High dynamics has to be high everywhere, or the slowest component drives it.
Brilliant, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.